Hello, everybody. I believe we are live. Just give me a moment or two. I'll make sure everything is working fine, and then we shall get started. If you can hear me and see me okay, those of you who are watching it live, please put in a little yes on the comment box so I can see that everything seems to be working as it should be. And there isn't any echo like we had a couple of days ago. All right. So, hello everybody. My name is Ozair, and welcome to today's YouTube live stream. In today's live stream, I'm going to talk about the keyword quality score in Google Ads, what it is, why you need to care about it, and there are a couple of things which is a bit of a mystery, or and it also causes a fair amount of confusion because a lot of people, what they do is keep they stress too much about the quality score. So if you are new to this session, the format is I'll go through my presentation, and then towards the end I will answer any questions you may have. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment box on the right hand side, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. So let's get the show started. So what is quality score? So quality score, as per the Google support, is a estimate of the quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. So there are three different things which you need to keep an eye on. Higher quality ads can lead to lower prices and better ad positions. Now this is quite important because what Google is saying to us is that if you look after the quality score and you are doing all the right things, you're giving a good user experience, your ads and your keywords are very relevant to each other, and they are congruent to your landing page. So when somebody searches for red apples and you take them to a page which is selling red apples, then you are likely to get a higher quality score than someone who is promoting red apples, but then they are sending them to a page where they are selling green apples. So you need to send the visitor to the right landing page. So what you need to do, okay, Mustafa, you say you can't hear. All right, thank you guys. Just gonna have a check on the audio. Okay, I'll need to restart. So what I'm going to do is, okay, Riaz, you can hear me fine. All right, I'm going to carry on going. If the problem persists, then I might need to reboot the software, and that should solve the problem. So I'm not quite sure. Couple of people can't hear me, but one person can hear me fine. So if you can put your volume to the highest setting, I guess that should solve that issue and that problem. Okay, so let's carry on. And quality score is it's not everything. It's just a diagnostic tool, and it is not a key performance indicator. What Google is saying is, even if you are getting a higher quality score, does not mean that that keyword is going to perform for you. It is just a tool, an indicator to tell you what's happening in your Google Ads account. So the way the quality score is calculated, it is made up of three different metrics: expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. These three things make up your quality score. Now, if you want to um, make your quality score go higher, what you want to do is to get all of these three metrics in your Google Ads account above average, and you will find that you're getting 8, 9, or 10 out of 10. If one of these is below average, then you'll need to start working. So let's say the landing page experience is below average. That means you need to go and look at your landing page and see what it is. It could be the one of the biggest reasons why you get below average marks on the landing page experience is the page speed. So you need to make sure that it is lightning fast. Quality score for every keyword is calculated out of 10. You want to be as high as possible, and here's why. So the benchmark which we all work to is 5, right? So that's 5 is right dead center in the middle, and you want to be above 5, because as your quality score goes higher, you get cheaper prices from Google. So you get rewarded by Google for doing all the right stuff and for listening to them. They're saying, like, do this and do that, and if you tick all the boxes and you've got, the keywords are relevant to your ads and your ads are relevant to your landing page, and you've got a great landing page, you are going to get good quality score. But that's not all, because it's also worked out on the expected click-through rate. Google is in the business of clicks, because those clicks are going to make them money, and if you set everything up the right way, those clicks are also going to make you a lot of money. So don't think that, oh, Google is going to give me lots of clicks. Well, we all want clicks on the ads, otherwise we will not get any traffic to our website. So what you need to do is to keep an eye on these. Now, these numbers, don't take it as gospel. These, I have got them from, I believe, from one of the Google guys who had done a little video. So that was quite a while ago. I'm pretty certain it's worked out the same way, but you get the idea as to how you get discounts. Or if your quality score is below 5 and on the lower side, then you pretty much get hammered by Google for not doing the things you're supposed to do, and you will pay a higher CPC. Now, a higher CPC is going to end up eating up your budget very quickly. You will run out of budget. Your ads will stop running a lot earlier in the day. So this is how your cost per click is worked out, and this is is incredible. It's a genius formula which has been worked out, and it is all dependent on how good or bad the advertiser below you is, and which is your competitors. So if your competitors haven't got a clue what they are doing, you can really do extremely well in Google Ads by outranking them every time and paying them lower cost per click. So here's how your price is calculated, and it's an amazing formula. Once I learned this formula, it absolutely changed the way I ran my campaigns for myself and my clients. So we've got 4 advertisers. So you will see 4 ads at the top of the page and also some at the bottom. So we're not bothered about the bottom. You don't want your ads to show at the bottom. Nobody clicks over there. You want always your ads to be shown at the top of the page. Okay. Advertiser ranked number 1. Now, the myth is that if you bid more, you are going to get higher rankings. So people or companies with the bigger pockets and bigger budgets are going to get the most, the best ranks. Not necessarily. Here's why. You see, advertiser number one is paying 161. Second one is paying 301, and the third is paying 4. So why is this guy who's right at the top paying the least amount of money? So here's why. You work out. So this is your bid. So the advertiser ranked number one is bidding £2. Number two guy is bidding 4, 6, and 8. Now the difference is here in the quality score. So this guy has got, or girl, has got a quality score for that keyword as 10 out of 10. This one has got 4, this one has 2, that one has got 1. Okay, so your ad rank. So this is it's a ranking in the auctions, right? 2 times 10 is 20, 4 times 4 is 16, 6 times 2, 12, 8 times 1 is 8. So this one has got the highest ranked ad rank. So he's ranked number 1, number 2, 3, and 4, right? So we've sorted out our ad rank. Now let's work out on our price. So that's the formula. You will only pay 1p or whichever currency you're in than the advertiser below you. That is right across the board. So the ad rank of the advertiser below you divided by your quality score plus 1p. So in this case, I've got 16, which is the ad rank of the second ranked advertiser divided by my quality score if I was number 1, that is, plus 1p is 161. And then the same thing will apply here. 12 divided by 4 plus 1, 301, and so on. Now, for this guy, or this advertiser, I should say, I keep on saying guy, for the advertiser ranked number 2, for him or her to outrank this guy, he needs to bid a lot more to get this ad rank up. So if he bids about £6, 6 times 4 is 24. Then he's going to go up. But what will happen is this advertiser is paying 3 times more than that advertiser. So I hope you got this, because this is where you can start to see what's happening. Now, if this advertiser suddenly says, I want to be very aggressive and I'm going to bid £10. So 10 times 10, his ad rank is going to be 100. Now for the advertiser ranked number 4 to outrank him, because he keeps seeing this guy's ads all the time, he says, I want to go at the top. If he does not improve his quality score, he will need to bid £100, because 100 or more than 100, so 101 or whatever, to make that ad rank above 100. So it's in your best interest to make sure that you have the quality score as high as possible at all times. Now, you may also see quite often that your best performing keywords are not getting the right quality score no matter what you do. In that case, don't worry too much about it, because as long as you are getting the conversions, the system is going to update and will eventually get these quality scores sorted out. It won't happen overnight. It won't happen in a matter of few clicks. It needs the algorithm needs a fair amount of time, and then you will start to see that yes, I'm getting a good quality score. And this is how these are calculated. Now, to recap, quality score, um, it's an estimate of the quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. As I said earlier on, higher quality ads can lead to lower prices and better ad positions. You can see your quality score by adding the quality score column to a report. Now, if you don't see your quality score, you need to go at the keyword level and then go into the columns, and you need to check off that quality score icon, and then you will see the quality score for each keyword. So it's on a scale from 1 to 10 and includes that expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. So it's very important that you have those keywords in your ads at all time. I like to put that keyword which I'm bidding on straight up in a headline 1, because as soon as somebody sees that ad, they can see that search term query straight in my ad. So the more relevant your ads and landing pages are to the user, the more likely it is that you'll see a higher quality score. Because Google is all about the best user experience you can offer, because they are referring leads and customers from their platform to you. So they don't want to send someone to a spammy or a horrible website. They want to send people to a nice website, right? So you make sure that your landing page or your website is up to the mark, and it's as good as you can get. And this is extremely important. Now, with AI and machine learning changing the landscape of Google Ads, what they're saying now is quality score is an aggregated estimate of your overall performance in ad auctions, and is not used at auction time to determine ad rank. So what they're saying is they are not using quality score. They are using quality score to put them ad ranks, but at auction time they are not, because what they are saying is, and this is from the Google Support Center, so this is not from a third-party website, this is exactly from Google. The 1 to 10 quality score shown in your account is an aggregated estimate of your overall performance in ad auctions. Therefore, it can't be used at auction time to determine ad rank. Real-time auction-specific quality calculations of expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience, among other factors, are used to calculate ad rank at auction time. So now Google has got so much data that on top of these 3 metrics, they have got a lot more stuff which they can use to work out what's happening at the auction. So these factors, which are based on things known only at the time of the auction, can heavily influence the quality of the user's experience. And that's the key. It's all about the user's experience, and that's what you need to think about. Okay, I'm gonna go to the comment box. If you guys have any questions, then please put them in, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. And I'm just gonna have a sip of water. We've got a heat wave going on in the UK at the moment. It's extremely hot. So, all right. So I don't see any questions. That's fine. Then we shall wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, same time at 5 o'clock UK time. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.